Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well and you're staying on your health journey. Today, I wanted something quick, easy, delicious, high protein, and a low carb meal option. So I decided that I'm going to make one of my favorite, delicious, high protein, low carb, satisfying, and healthy tuna veggie scoops. Okay. So let's get started. Really easy, just something, especially if you've just worked out. Hello. I just got off my air climber. It's raining here, depending when you're watching this. And I like something that is quick sometimes. And this actually can be a great snack option as well. Okay. So the two. I just want to show you that, first of all, well, here's my tuna. I have white tuna, any kind. I mean, whatever you like. I like the flaked tuna. And I also buy it in water, okay? And it looks delicious. I mean, you can just eat it like that, but I like to add some onion, usually green onion, but I didn't have any today, so I'm just using some Vidalia that I cut up, and I love celery in it to make more like a tuna salad. So we're just going to add that in. Don't worry, I'm eating all of this myself, so I'm just going to use my hands. And I like to put in pepper because that's going to zip it up. I love pepper. And it depends on how much you like. You can put in a teaspoon or so. And the other thing I really like are some crushed chili peppers. That also, and that's optional, guys. You can do what you want. I also add in some Hellman's light mayonnaise, a couple of tablespoons that I have here. All right. And you can use whatever mayonnaise you want, or you don't have to use mayonnaise. You could use half mayonnaise and some yogurt, but this is how I like my tuna. And the other thing I like to add is about a tablespoon of some white vinegar, because my mother always made it for me like that. I just love with a little bit of vinegar. It just gives it that extra zip to it. So I just like to mix this really well. I like to get all the chunks out of it, and sometimes I use my hand mixer, but this gives you a little bit of a workout too. So just make sure you get all the chunks. And I also like my tuna cold, so I keep it in the fridge. But you can make this ahead of time for work, which is easy, all right? And just enjoy. It's so yummy. Now, the scoop part is veggies for the lower carb option. And you can use whatever vegetables that you love. And I had our home cucumbers, garden cucumbers that my husband grew in our backyard. I told him that I love, well, he knows I love cucumbers, but I love English cucumbers in particular. And then I just had some yellow and red peppers, which are great to scoop with because they're nice and wide, right? So you can get lots of tuna on it. And also celery, which you can scoop, which is really nice. So again, if you like zucchini or you like any other kind of vegetable, obviously you can use that as well. And it's just really easy. I usually get this much smoother, but that's okay. I'm just going to put it on, and you can see this is such a great meal idea, or even a snack after a workout, which will be really satisfying because tuna has so much high protein to it. And it is a lower fat. Having just a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise is only 2 smart points on all WW programs if you follow Wellness That Works. And again, that is optional. You could use, like I said, yogurt and mayonnaise or nothing, or just some vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is delicious in tuna as well. And the other option you could do, if you want to make this one step further, you could actually roast your vegetables and add it, or you can take this and add some cheese on top and grill them. That would be absolutely delicious. So, you know, my recipes are versatile, and I'm just going to go back and show you my face again. But this is one of my really simple, easy, quick, delicious type of meals that I've been doing on my journey from losing 130 pounds, I know, and also maintaining my people, my friends, my people. You're my people, right? Is just as hard, if not harder. So, you know, it's all mindset and meal prep and meal planning and staying on track. You know that I give you lots of strategies. So I'm really going to enjoy my brunch today because I do intermittent fasting. So I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to load the tuna up. And yes, I do eat the entire tin because I love it. I love tuna. And you can use, obviously I love tuna, but if you wanted to use salmon or anything other high protein on your veggies like this, yum. So tell me what you think. I hope you love this really simple, delicious idea that is healthy and nutritious, okay? So comment below when you post my recipes, not if, when. Please tag me because I like to see, I love to see my posts in other groups on your other social media forums. Share my channel. Make sure you've subscribed, okay? And ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my recipes that are published, okay? Love you guys. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Mwah. Bye. Take care, guys.